Today, we are making Japanese fried chicken Karaage Bento. We'll start by grating garlic and ginger. Using pre-grated ginger paste is also fine. Add some sake. You can find cooking sake at Japanese supermarkets. Then, add soy sauce. Add bite-sized pieces of chicken thigh into the mixture. It's fine to leave the skin on. Mix well to ensure the flavors penetrate the chicken. Let it marinate in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. During that time, let's prepare the side dish namuru. Roughly chop the spinach. Peel the carrots and cut them into thin slices. Put the chopped spinach, carrots, and the bean sprouts into a microwave-safe container and microwave for 2 minutes. Add Chinese-style soup powder, sesame oil, seaweed, and sesame seeds. Then mix well. That's it for the namuru. Now back to preparing the fried chicken. Take the marinated chicken out of the refrigerator and add an egg. Then mix. Next, prepare the coating. Mix potato starch and wheat flour in a bowl. Heat oil in a frying pan. Now, the preparation for frying the chicken is complete. Once the oil is hot, coat the chicken pieces with the flour mixture and fry them. Flip them halfway through cooking. Once they turn golden brown, they are ready. Plate them in a bento box and it's done.